Here's Layla app Voices in Harmony. It's a global real-time social application aimed at providing users with deep socialization and communication experience. So you can just make video calls with each other, easy voice chat, global friendship. So here's the app. I don't know how legit is this app, because there are a lot of scammy apps in this category. But yeah, you can just open it up, and then you can just easily sign in. And then basically you can add avatar, you can do check-ins, and then you can just start chatting with people. There is a global chat rooms, and then there is a feed. Then you can see messages, and then you can see your profile, where you can get some coins. So that's that. And then you can also get wallets. You can get some deals from here, and then there is your profile. You can verify your face here. You can record your voice introduction. You can create rooms. So quite advanced app, actually. And then if you don't like it, you can always go and delete your account from here. Blacklist, beauty language, clear cache. So yeah, that's the app. Like, just chatting with random people here. There's also real-time chat, party, voice room, and then you can get tasks to get free diamonds here. So that's you can also do and get some free diamonds. So yep,